If you want to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur, you better keep watching.
Lights, camera, action.
Hello there, I am Fawaz the Cake Boy. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best place for bakers, entrepreneurs, and cake lovers, where I share amazing videos on recipes, business talks, and related question and answers. So, if that isn't for you, give a little love tap on that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Yes, with that being done, in order for you to maintain effectiveness or relevance as an entrepreneur or a baker, you need to inculcate 7 main key habits. I'll be explaining 4 in this video and the other 3 in part 2. So watch out for that as well. Habit number 1, to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur, you need to take initiation. Understanding that your life, the world around you, cannot change without you taking a step. You don't need to fault your competition, stop faulting the government, stop faulting the vision, stop faulting the progress. You need to take an initiation. Think inside the box, to a contrary belief of you thinking outside the box. Think inside the box and understand a way or figure out a way in which you can solve people's problem, in which you can be the go-to option for specific kind of ways. I really understood this part of taking initiation when I was like, I don't want to fault my competitions, not faulting the government, not faulting the people, but taking the blame for me not selling, taking the blame for you not being able to, close sales upon yourself. That is you taking a step ahead from you bakers, all other fellow entrepreneurs. You understand that you need to create a solution for specific kind of problem. Do what other people are not doing. Yes, you'll be solving the problem generally as a baker, as an entrepreneur, but you need to create a step ahead for yourself. You need to take initiation. For me, for example, if you look at my Instagram page here, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to check that out. I really did the step ahead. Yes, we are all bakers, we're all making cakes, exceptional cakes and recipes, but then I took my own game a little bit ahead, which is me creating exceptional, mesmerizing, and lovely, appealing cupcakes. That really made me a step ahead of all other bakers that were just baking random cakes at that point in time. So you also need to take an initiation, start something new, build a step ahead for yourself, and voila, you're going to see the quick change in your business, as in your entrepreneurial journey, and also in your baking. The second habit you need to start inculcating in order to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur is envisaging the life you want. Yes, you need to envisage, you need to have a specific picture of your future. Where are you going? Where do you want to be? What are your goals? What are your achievements? What are your targets? What is your aim? What do you want to have as at the end of this month? Like your daily goals, your monthly goals, your yearly achievement, or your annual target. You need to have those things in place. What those things will do is it will make you be able to plan ahead. You'll be able to have a specific goal setting, like where are you heading to? Where are you going? What are the necessary things you need to put in place for you to reach those points, right? After you must have taken an initiation, after you must have taken the step ahead, aside from all other bakers now, or all other entrepreneurs I meant to say, you now have the life you want to envision. For example, you might say, okay, your dream car or your dream house, or you want to have your first date night in Miami, or your honeymoon days in Dubai, all of those things. I'm not trying to get funny here. But then you need to envisage the life you want. Like you envisage where you want to be, what you want to achieve, the goals you are craving, where you want your life to be. What do you want your accounts to be like in the next couple of years, and all of those things, right? So that is the second habit that you need to inculcate in order to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur. The third habit you also need to inculcate in order to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur is you need to start prioritizing importance over urgency. Urgency and importance are two different things that you need to balance at the same time. Yes, urgencies will always come as hurdles when you are journeying to your success, when you are journeying to your target, when you are journeying your ways to your aims and objectives, right? But then you need to know that you need to give ultimate attention or ultimate prioritization to your importance, because importance is what keeps you going, it keeps you moving, it keeps you running. Unlike the urgencies will come in as hurdles. Yes, you need to treat those urgencies too, but always prioritize your importance. Yes, you have to first figure out what your important things are and what the urgencies are. The important things are those things that will literally lead you to where you are going. But unlike the urgencies, are those things that will always come in being like hurdles and just continue to figure your way out until you achieve your point of aim. That is basically you prioritizing your importance over your urgencies. The fourth habit you need to inculcate in order to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur is you need to seek mutual benefits. Yes, like add genuine value to people, share what you know, tell people about what you are doing, like invest in people, tell people, give value, nurture your community, tell people about what you are doing, what you know, share your knowledge. It's the world is a vast place for us to learn. It's a world of information. Don't forget that the more you tell people, the more probably you are going to have people to help you because you are giving value to people. Value will definitely come back in. For example, people come into my DM. If you go back to my Instagram page as well, I'll leave a link in the description. If you go back to my Instagram page, you see me sharing recipes, baking hacks, and all of those stuff, right? But then people would then come into my DM and say, "Why are you sharing these things for free? They are meant to be paid for." Then I give them certain structurized answers. Stuff like, okay, if I am giving you this recipe or if I am giving you this thing, your customers are different from my own customers. Your potential buyers or clients are different from mine. If I am a game killer or if I am a salesperson and I'm very good at playing my own game, I might easily get my own customers and even your own customers, regardless of the recipe I am using or me sharing my recipes to you or not, right? So that is you genuinely giving out to people because the more you invest in people, people will always come back to what help you. Forget the saying that the more you help, the more people will continue hating you, all of this stuff, right? I have been helping people, and yes, this is also a way in me giving value to the community and investing in others because I am sharing the little I know and I am investing in you in order to also build your business, get better recipes, and build your social media. So if you've made it far in this video and you're not already subscribed, please give a little love tap on that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will get notified once I upload a new video. Don't forget, I said I have discussed 4 of the habits you need to start inculcating in order to maintain effectiveness and relevance as an entrepreneur. I explained the remaining 3 habits in this video, which is the part 2. I'll leave a link in the description so you can also watch, and do make sure leave the comments below if you have any business related topics you want me to talk about, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, neighbors, and also fellow entrepreneurs because that is a way in you also investing in them. Don't forget, I have a recipe video coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for more video. I'll see you in my next video. You know I love you. Mwah.